Hi, my name is Shekira, just like the singer, but it is spelled slightly different. And for today's video, it is a get ready with me. But before we jump into that, like, so I know you enjoy this content, subscribe to join the squad. We are on the road to 1,000, and I have faith you all can get us there. And last but not least, click that bell so you're notified every single time I post a video just like this. And without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Okay, I know I look a little crusty, a little busty, I look a little nasty. Okay, that's because I just got out the shower, so I just had to throw on this little bedtime outfit just so I can go ahead and do my makeup first. Then I'm gonna do my hair, then I'm gonna go ahead and do my clothes. You already know how it goes. Okay, don't call me Chance the Rapper. I'm over here spitting bars. So the very first thing I'm gonna do for my makeup is my eyebrows. I'm gonna use this eyebrow pencil from e.l.f. and I'm going to use this Maybelline the City Kids Pink Edge palette, something like that. And I'm literally just going to use this black one. I use it for my eyebrows. I like my eyebrows to be dark, just like my soul. My eyebrows don't have a shape, okay? The little McDonald's signs, that's all they are. There's no arch, there's nothing. So I have to make it myself. Time to be creative. What's wrong with me? I'm the most uncultured black person there is. And it's not like I was born into a family that was uncultured. Like, I got some uncultured folks, you know what I mean? But I guess I've been living under a rock because I don't know anything. Like, I'm dumb. Like, I'm dumb when it comes to stuff. When it comes to anything, not even just culture stuff, but just anything. I lack the intelligence. Can't blame anybody but myself, but golly. It's like sometimes you think, like, what happened? I don't know what happened to me. I haven't got my eyebrows waxed in so long. I'm a little scared to go back, to be honest, because I know the first time getting it waxed after not getting it waxed is painful as hell. So I'm not trying to go back, but I know I need to. So until then, I'm just going to hide that thick area of hair with some type of concealer thing. Now I'm about to go ahead and go in with my Scandal Eyes from Rimmel eyeliner and just put eyeliner on. So with my eyeliner, I start in the middle and I gradually get bigger as I go out. That's my eyeliner, nothing crazy. Now I'm going to do the other side, or the other side, I use my other hand. It's just easier for me. Do everybody else use their other hand for their eyeliner, or is that just me? Now that is my eyeliner. Simple, nothing crazy. Small wing at the end, and that's it. For mascara, I use the Max Volume by Wet n Wild. Like I said it before, okay? I don't spend money when it comes to makeup. So if you were looking for a cheap makeup routine, I have you, okay? I got you. Where you can just literally use everything that I'm using. It's cheap. Rihanna who? Fenty who? I don't know her. e.l.f. best friend. Rimmel, Maybelline, we're married at this point. But for my mascara, as you can see, I'm literally just doing the outside. I don't do the inner bits because I want my eyes to look as big as possible. And I heard just on the outside make them look bigger than normal. And I like to be efficient and quick when it comes to makeup because it's going to take most people an hour to an hour and a half to do makeup for what? For a day? For a date, an hour and a half or 5 hours. Not happening. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and finish up my brows with this eyebrow highlighter, and then I'm going to put it underneath my brow bone right here. That's it. And I'm also going to put it in the corner of my eye to open up my eye a little bit more and to highlight it a little bit more. I'm going to take the other end and what is that called? And blend it out. There we go. Do I recommend you follow this routine? Probably not. There's probably better ones out on YouTube. I'm not gonna lie to you. But will you find better ones on YouTube that's just as cheap and as quick? Not even close. You know you're not. So you might as well follow this one. What? It makes sense if you didn't. You're here for a reason, aren't you? So follow it. Follow along. With that, I pretty much just put some Born to Glow by NYX on my high points of my face. But I want to be a little extra today because it's date night. So you know what? Let me be a little extra. So I'm going to take this Revlon Photo Ready eye primer, and I'm going to put it underneath my eye just a little bit. I'm also going to put it on top. So honestly, I didn't think to do this until after, because I would have did my eye stuff after, but you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender. I use my beauty blender for everything. I can't stress that enough. I use it for everything. So it's blended out at the top and the bottom. It doesn't look as blended on camera. I promise you, in person, it's blended out way more. After I use that, I'm going to use my Revlon Candid Concealer. It's in 050, and I'm going to go ahead and conceal the spots on my face that, you know, the spots on my face. It's as simple as that. Time to conceal is in the name. And now I'm going to go ahead and take the beauty blender and blend it out by just dabbing it in and kind of swirling it around like such. It doesn't have to be blended out completely because I'm going to actually put on some foundation. So you can see all these marks. That's going to get concealed with foundation. So do not worry if you look like you just woken up from your grave. You know, you've been dead, but you're now undead. Don't worry, you're going to go ahead and get fixed up in a second. So now I'm taking the Revlon Candid foundation. So this is in the shade 500, and I'm literally going to spray a little bit on my hand like such. I'm not putting a lot because I'm not using a lot. I do not want anything thick on my face. I just want a little bit, just a little bit of coverage, and I'm covering my whole face. And I'm doing that by just rubbing it in with my beauty blender. Okay, I now have my foundation on. Now I know my foundation may look a little bit lighter than my actual skin. I promise you, it really is not. It is this camera, it is this light, okay? You have to take my word for it. You just have to trust me, okay? You just have to trust me that it's not. For highlighter, like I said, I'm gonna use NYX Born to Glow. It is in the color Warm Strobe. So it's the warm strobe color. It matches my foundation and my face. And I'm just going to put that on my high point. So pretty much everywhere on my face. Honestly, truly think this adds the final touch. Like without this, my makeup looks okay. But with this, I look like I know what I'm doing. I look like I'm going places in life. Okay, it looks like I got my stuff together. I don't, but it looks like I do. Actually, the very last thing is my lip gloss. It's by Revlon. It's super lustrous. My lip gloss is on. My makeup is finished. This is the finished look. Like I said, it's very subtle. It's nothing crazy. It's not over here trying to go ahead and catch everyone's attention, just my boyfriend's attention. Now, I don't know how much I'm going to cut out, so let me just say it again. For my hair, I'm going to leave it in these twists so I can go ahead and do a video of me taking these twists out because I need content. Okay, let's be serious. I need some content. So I'm going to make a video about damn near everything. Okay, so just be prepared. But because I'm going to go ahead and leave my twist in, I need to style my hair with my twist. And what I think I'm going to do are two space buns. I think those are really cute, especially when I use a headband. It's a date that I'm about to go on. So I need to look cute and sexy. We don't want to just look cute. No. We need to do more than that. So let me go ahead and put on my headband, and I'm also going to go ahead and put on some little accessories for my hair. The headband is on, the little accessories are in. I will be lying to you all if I did not say I want off camera and actually fix my space buns. They just weren't giving me life, you know what I mean? And like I said, I need cute and sexy. It was just cute, okay? That's what I look like, Molly from the Big Comfy Couch. Am I over here trying to go ahead and teach you how to clean? No. Tell you time? No. Okay, so I need to look cute and sexy. And having space buns is hard to be sexy, but with the outfit that I'm about to go ahead and put on, whatever that outfit is, because I don't know yet, but whatever outfit I'm about to put on, I'm gonna look sexy with some space buns. Best believe. Now that my makeup is done, my hair is on, it's time for the grand finale, which is the outfit. Okay, so one of the tops I was thinking was this top right here. It's a really cute, simple top, you know, off the shoulder. It accentuates my little decolletage, you know. I look really cute with this top on. So I was thinking this top. The thing is though, I will have to wear a strapless bra, and to be honest, I'm just not trying to worry about, you know, pushing these little puppies up every 2 seconds. I do think it looks cute, like I said, but do I really want to have to deal with that? Do I really want to have to deal with that? Do you want me to have to deal with that? No. Like, it's just, it's too much. You know what I mean? It's it's not too much. It's cute. I'm not gonna lie. It is cute. Like, I look good in this top, but it's too much for right now. Like, you know, like, I just don't feel like dealing with it. So let me try to find a different top. I have this top right here, and it's a cute top, but like, is it screaming date? Is it really screaming like I'm about to go on a date? Like, it looks cute, yeah. Sexy, I don't know, maybe a little bit, you know, but with these space buns, yeah, no, I don't look sexy, but I don't have to wear a strapless bra, so that's good. The only thing is, though, if I lift my arms up a little too much, okay, I'm not trying to show the world everything. I really am not trying to show the world everything. So instead, I think this might be a negative for right now, too. Also, I have to remember I have to match this scarf. I can switch out my scarf to a burgundy or to a green. Okay, that's the colors that I have. I do not have black because I'm stupid. So I have to make it work with whatever color I have. This is the other top I have. Now, I really like this top. One, because I don't have to wear a strapless bra. You already know how I feel about that right now. Two, it's super soft on the inside. Three, it's kind of like a sweater material. Like, it's quite thick. And then four, it's not super tight. It's breathable. I have some room, you know? The thing I don't like about it is that it's not sexy at all to me. Like, look at this neck. Look at it. It's not sexy. Let me try to find just something for this date night look. Stay with me, okay? Stay with me. I know you're over here thinking like, why can't you just wear this, this, and this? Okay? I'm not a stylist. I'm not good at this, okay? I usually wear SpongeBob stuff. You know this. So just breathe and stay with me and let me work through this. Please and thank you. Okay, I think I found a winner. I think it's going to be this cropped turtleneck. The reason why is because it's tight, but it's not like super tight. Like my other turtleneck thing, the striped one that you saw, it was tight, especially on my arms, okay? The second reason is because it's sexy. All black turtlenecks are sexy. And with it being cropped, that's sexy. I don't care what you say, that is sexy. And then the third reason is because it does not interfere with my headband. I think I got a winner. Let me know which shirt you would have picked. Would you have picked this one too? Would you have picked this one too? Okay, are we connecting? Are we on the same plane? This shirt is it for me. I feel good. I look good. So we're winning. So now it's time for the bottoms. We have these pants. It's high-waisted pants. They don't go all the way down. They're cropped and they're wide-legged and they're flowy. I like these pants a lot because they hug the waist, but they're not tight. So when you eat, which I will be doing, I get to breathe, right? So that's nice. This is the back, and then this is the other side. Nothing to it. Why am I showing you guys like as if this is a haul? It's not a haul, okay? No, we're here to help me decide what to wear. I like the pants a lot. I think I look very sophisticated, very classy, very sexy with these pants on. And I mean, you know what? Like, I don't mind these pants. Like, they may be a winner, but I will say it doesn't look as nice with my headband on. So I might have to change my headband for these pants, but let me go ahead and try on another pair of jeans or pants first. These pants is the light pink jean pants that I have, and they're super wide leg. Why am I keep going ahead and describing? You know what? I have to describe it in order for you guys to help me. So yeah, they're wide leg, they're cropped. They're not as cropped as the other ones. The one thing I don't like about these is that they're kind of stiff. Like, I have to, you know, move in them quite a bit for them to loosen up a little bit. So I don't know if I'm feeling it, especially with this outfit as well. Like this headband with these pants. I don't know. It's okay. Of course, you already know I like these pants the most. I already put the belt on because I already know I'm going to wear them. So it's going to be an all black sexy outfit. And you know what? I'm fine with that. Sometimes I just like wearing all black. Most times I like wearing all black. But it's okay. I've ventured out of that a couple times. Quite a bit actually. Especially when I wear my SpongeBob stuff. Because a lot of my SpongeBob stuff is pastel. But that's besides the point. I had to turn the camera this way. I already know it's scary being in portrait mode. I already know there's some black bars on the side of me. But just be patient, okay? I wanted to show you the full outfit. It's a black turtleneck that's cropped, a little black belt with a clear buckle, black pants, and some black, I guess, over the knee boots. So I'm very much covered besides my midriff area. Now we can go ahead and flip it back to landscape mode. Okay, so for jewelry, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my little studs for my second and third ear hole. For the bottom one, but the first ear hole, I'm gonna have these little small hoops. Because this look is really subtle, I want to keep everything subtle as well. And because I have a lot of earrings in one of my ears, the other ear is pretty bare, but this one is quite, you know, full of earrings. I don't need anything super out there. So this is good enough. Now that I have my earrings all in, I'm going to just put this little ring on. I'm going to put this bracelet on. This is my go-to bracelet. I don't really have a lot of bracelets just because I don't know, because I'm weird. Also going to go ahead and put these two on. I'm putting these both on because my boyfriend gave me both of these, so I thought it would be cute to have them on. I'm just going to keep it bare like this with just my bracelets, my one ring, and my earrings. So I am so close to being done. I promise. The last thing I have to do is just perfume, you know, make myself smell good. If I'm gonna look good, I better smell good. Let me just go ahead and spray this all over my body. I smell like love. I smell like vanilla. I smell like beautifulness. Now let me put this on the important parts of my body. So my neck, behind my ear, right here, my wrist, and then behind my knees. I always do that. I don't know why. I just don't want to smell bad. You know what I mean? Like, you get what I mean or not? You get what I mean. You thought I was done, but I'm not. I thought I was done, but I'm not. But I was going to go ahead and keep it black on black on black. But then I was like, I can wear my new Forever 21 jacket I just got. So to make it, you know, not black on black on black, I'm going to wear my Forever 21 jacket that I just got as my outerwear. And then I'm going to pair it with this scarf. So this is the complete look. I think it's so cute. My headband doesn't really match, but oh well, it's good enough. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was entertaining enough, and I hope you enjoyed the process of me trying to get ready. My boyfriend will be here any minute, so I'm going to call it a day. I think I look good enough, and thank you for watching. I will see you all next time. Bye!